In this video, we are going to be learning how to solve cyclic quadrilaterals. So under the topic circle geometry. Now a cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided shape whose vertices touches the circumference of a circle. You can see that the vertices P, Q, R, and S are all touching the circumference of the circle PQRS. So look at the question. In the diagram, PQRS is a circle. Find the value of x. So what do you do first? We have to understand the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. One of the principle or theorem of cyclic quadrilateral is that the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral when added gives 180 degrees, which means angle P is opposite to angle R. So when added, they will give 180 degrees. Then angle Q and angle S are also opposite angles. When they are added, they give what? 180 degrees. Angle P, cap P plus cap R, because they are opposite angles, when added, they give 180 degrees. So what is P? Angle P, what we have at angle P is x. Remember, we have finding x. And then angle R, what we have there is x plus y. Then their sum is equals to 180 degrees. Add x and x together, it gives you 2x plus y equals 180 degrees. This gives us equation 1. Then for the next one, we have q and x. So angle q plus angle x will give us 180 degrees. Okay? Then what is angle q? What do we have in angle q? We have 2y minus 30. So just add 2y minus 30 to the angle at x. The angle at s is x. So we substitute x there, and it's equals to what? 180 degrees. It's equals to 180 degrees. So let's begin by writing x first, because x should come first. Okay, from what we have here, so that they can be in line. Here we have x plus this 2y. So here we have 2y. Okay, then equals to 180 degrees. Alright, this is 180 degrees. Then don't also forget that this is minus 30. So if minus 30 is crossing, it changes to plus 30 degrees. So when you add up, you are going to have x plus 2y equals to 180 plus 30 is 210 degrees. Right? So this is our equation 2. These two are the equations we have to solve to find x. Solve the two simultaneously. So let's bring the two equations down. This is equation 1. It is 2x plus y equals 180 degrees. Then we also have the second one, which is x. Look at it here, this one here. X plus what? 2y equals 210 degrees. So this is our equation 1, while this is our equation 2. So let's eliminate y by equating the coefficients, so that we are left with x, which is what we are, whose value we are to find. So 2, here we multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4x. Is 4x. Then 2 times y is 2y. 2y. Then 2 times 180 degrees is 360. Okay, is 360 degrees. So let's call this equation 3. right, for convenience sake. Then the second equation, which is equation 2, just multiply by 1 and everything remains the same. Okay, whatever you multiply by 1 remains the same. So x remains x plus 2y remains 2y, then equals to 210 remains 210, all right, in degrees. Okay, then we now have this as our equation 4. As you can see, we now have 2y here and 2y here. So what we are simply going to do is to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. If you subtract equation 4 from equation 3, these two terms will cancel each other since they are equal. Then we are left with 4x minus x. If you do that, 4x minus x is 3x equals to 360 minus 210 is 150 degrees. Is 150 degrees. So if you divide both sides by 3, since we are to find the value for x, divide both sides by 3. So we now have 3x over 3 equals to 150 over what? Over 3. So 3 we cancel 3. We are now left with just x. So 150 divided by 3 is 50 degrees. So this is the value for x. Please subscribe to my channel if you are deriving any value from my videos. You can also like and share my video. I will keep making more videos that will assist you in understanding the various concepts in mathematics and physics. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.